Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free code camp tutorial on CSS applied visual design. And here we're going to do a fun one where we create a heart. And this is where CSS can get more complicated because you can see here that there's a lot of lines of CSS code to just make one simple heart. And this is where it's more advanced, where you could do it in CSS, or you can just grab a open source image or take your own pictures to make how you want, or do it in Photoshop or anywhere else. But for this exercise, we're going to learn more about the before and after pseudo elements. I thought this wasn't that good of an example explaining the pseudo element before and after. So I saw W3 has a better way of explaining it. So before, it's just basically adding something to that CSS before you apply that CSS class. Sorry. So here's an example of before. So we see P paragraph tag. My name is Donald here, and we have two of them. And before every P tag, we add this content. Read this. So it just basically goes before. And then after, it's the same thing. So after, we have two P tags. After is this text, remember this. So it goes idea, but this was using text, but you can add graphics as well, a CSS coloring and all that. So for this one, we just follow the instructions to make a heart. So in this one, we change the background color to pink in the heart after. So this would be after it. There's a heart before, heart, and then after heart. So the after heart is blue here, so we have to change to pink. And then we change the border radius to 50%. And now we change the heart class to rotate -45 degrees. You see here, rotated. And now we change the heart before content to empty. And there you go. And that's how you do this one. Thank you so much.